How to fix Facebook upload failed problem easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy. Just open the settings page on your phone and then go to the apps manager right here. Go to apps in the top, and now all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the Facebook here, and after you click on Facebook, between all the apps that you have on your phone, just click on the force stop option and go down here to display over other apps and make sure that this option is enabled. Go back and now go to the storage, click on clear cache, go back, now reopen Facebook, and the problem is gonna be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.